Let's go ahead and review our bell work. So of course, our goal to solve these equations that have variables on both sides, we need to get variables to one side and constants to the other. So I'll go ahead and start moving my variables. I've been moving them to the left side, so I'm just going to continue to do that, but that doesn't mean you have to do that. Just make sure that you're consistent in what you do. So I'll subtract 4x from both sides. My 4x's will disappear from the right, and I'll drop down my -6. I'll drop down my +9, and then 1.5x minus 4x is 2.5x, and it's negative. Then I'm going to move all of my constants to the left side, so I'll subtract 9 from both sides to move that +9. My 9's will disappear from the left side, and I'll drop down my -2.5x. And then -6 minus 9 is -15. And so x is going to be equivalent to, I'll divide both sides by -2.5. So x is equivalent to 6, +6. And that's it here. All right, then we'll move on to number 2. We have to transform this written equation into an algebraic equation, which just means we have variables and numbers instead of words. So half a number, half is half. A number means our variable. We'll just make our variable h here just because we always use x. +8 is, and when we see is, that means it's an equal sign. The number means it's our variable, and you know what half is. And then 14, you know what that means, minus a number. Our number was h here. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and start moving things. So we'll go ahead and add our variable so that we can move all our variables to the left side. So I'll drop down my 14 and my +8. And then half an h plus a whole h is 1.5h. And then I'll move all my constants to the other side. So 1.5h is equivalent to 6. And then finally, I'll do 6 divided by 1.5. I'm actually doing both sides divided by 1.5. And so my variable here is equivalent to 6 divided by 1.5, which is 4. And that's it for our bell work review.